Now it's time to have a look at .htaccess file. htaccess file will tell Apache web server how to read our URLs. You can use this file actually for doing many more things than that, but for the purpose of this tutorial of this series, we will be using it just to tell Apache how to read the URLs. So within our site's root folder, let's create a new file and call it .htaccess. Now open it by double clicking on it, and we're going to start with something like this. If module mode underscore rewrite .c, what this does, it checks whether the mode rewrite is available. Mode rewrite is responsible actually for rewriting the URLs on the Apache server. Next line will be rewrite engine on. This tells Apache to turn the rewrite engine on if it's not turned on yet. Next line, we will write something like rewrite base, and we place the / as this is going to be our rewrite replacement. It should be all together. On the next line, we will type rewrite condition first, COND, then %, curly brace, and request file name. Then closing curly brace, exclamation mark, hyphen F. I'm going to explain what this means in just a second. Then another thing, once again, very similar thing. Let's best copy the entire line, paste it, except this time we are placing D at the end. What these two lines do, they tell server that if the file which is called via the URL physically exists, directory or file, then this rule will not apply. This rule will only apply, we will only rewrite the URLs if they physically do not exist. Okay, then we also type rewrite rule and just */index.php with the capital L in a square bracket. This tells server that all requests must go to index.php. So obviously everything is processed through the index.php file. Okay, lastly, we just have to close the if condition, which is if module, and that's basically it. So what we need to do now is we need to upload this file to the server. Now, some of the FTP clients may not see this file. Sometimes you have to allow invisible files because some applications, for instance, on the Mac, if you just go to this folder, you will not see this file. You have to do some tweaking on the system to see this file actually within the folder. Within Dreamweaver, you will always see it. Within FTP applications, you might have to check the preferences. So drag this file to our directory, to our server directory. If we refresh the page now, you see we have internal server error. It looks like we've misspelled something. Let's go back to the Dreamweaver. Have a look at the code again. Rewrite. Okay, here, as you can see, rewrite is spelled incorrectly. If we save the file and upload it to the server again, now refresh the page, and everything works as it should. That's all fine. Now in the next video, we'll have a look at the function, PHP function, which will process our new URLs.